Hey, so I'm about to change the wax in our kitchen warmer. I mean, it's just been going for a couple days, so I'm ready to switch it up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this scent, cotton cleanup, and from Scentsy, of course. I just used it to change out the wax in my room, my bedroom, and so I'm gonna show you how this works. Even though it's like half used, it's still gonna soak up this wax. Okay, so now I'm gonna add new wax. This is a cube of cinnamon buttercream from my room, and then I'm gonna add the rest of this cookies for Santa.